Satya, basic reality of Sanatan Dharma. Param Shanti, Behad ki Param Shanti, infinite supreme peace to all the divine souls, and salutation to our beloved Bapuji and Brahmama. Welcome you all to Bapuji Dashath Bhai YouTube channel. This video is a translation of Hindi video of Bapuji, Satyam Dharmam Sanatanam ka Mool, Behad ka Param Gyan. In this video, Bapuji explained truth of Sanatan knowledge as well as infinite supreme knowledge. Bapuji says, infinite supreme peace, Param Shanti. Today, I will tell supreme real knowledge as well as difference between supreme real Sanatan knowledge and infinite supreme knowledge. See, our scriptures, Shastras, described knowledge of supreme real Sanatan, which has neither beginning nor end. Or we can say that supreme real Sanatan knowledge continues from the start of our solar system. The first prad or first 50 years of solar system is completed. How many years are there in 50 years of first prad? 1 day of Brahma is equal to 1 Kalp Pralaya. In a solar system, Ardh Pralaya, partial dissolution, Pralaya, dissolution, Kalp Pralaya, complete dissolution, and Maha Kalp Pralaya, great dissolution occur in the end. 1 day of Brahma is equal to 1000 Chaturyug. So 1 day of Brahma comprises of 14 Manvantar. How many years does it make? 1 day of Brahma consists of 4.32 billion years and equal duration of night. First, understand time. 1 day and night in Brahmapuri means 8.64 billion years. In 1 day of Brahma, Kalp Pralaya, complete dissolution occurs in which 3 lokas are dissolved. Demigods, Devtas are also dissolved. So 1 year of Brahma means 3.11 trillion years. So first prad of Brahma means Brahma's 50 years completed. It is approximately 105.5 trillion years. So first half, 50 years of Brahma means 105.5 trillion years. Now second prad started. At present, it is Kali Yuga of 28th Yugantar of the 7th Manvantar of Brahma's first day is going on. It is known to all about 4 yugas, Satyuga, Treta, Dwapar and Kali Yuga. Kali Yuga consists of 0.432 million years, 4,32,000 years. Double of this comprise Dwapar, thrice is Treta and 4 times is Satyuga. Total of 4 yugas is 4.32 million years. So after 4.32 million years, partial dissolution, which is Ardh Pralaya, occurs on earth. In this solar system, there are 3 gods, Tridev. So Brahma, Vishnu and Shankar have their mother, Adi Shakti, who carry out creation through Brahma, preservance through Vishnu and destruction through Shankar. So when partial dissolution occurs, then Lord Shankar opens his third eye to destroy demons and dissolve them. Good souls are saved and go to the Satyuga. Similarly, Satyuga starts with end of Kali Yuga. So the cycle of 4 yugas, Satyug, Treta, Dwapar and Kali Yuga keep on repeating according to time. One cycle of 4 yugas is called Yugantar and 71 such Yugantar makes a Manvantar. In 1 Manvantar, the time of 1 Manu Saturba is completed. 1 Manu Saturba, who creates humanity and nature, are parents of creation. They create total human creation. Both together create humanity. On earth, creation of Manu takes place and demigods resides in the heaven. So the age of Manu's creation is 1 Manvantar. After completion of 1 Manvantar, complete dissolution occurs on the earth. 1 Manvantar is equal to 71 Yugantar, means after occurrence of 71 times Ardh Pralaya, which is partial dissolution, total dissolution occurs on the earth. Entire earth submerged in flood created by Lord Vishnu and ends the Manu Srishti and Manvantar as well. Then new Manu Saturba sent by Lord Brahma comes in existence and second Manvantar starts. Similarly, after completion of 14 Manvantar, one day of Brahma completes and Kalp Pralaya complete dissolution occur, in which Bhulok, Bhuvarlok and Swarglok, all three lokas completely destroyed. 7 Patal lokas below the earth also destroyed. 55 crore hell exists below the earth also destroyed. Means whatever world is made up of 5 elements destroyed completely. At that time, Lord Vishnu enters in sun and so much fire rains down by giving off the light of 12 suns that the earth doesn't even exist. The earth also burns to ash. Only one element out of 5 elements, only fire exists. Water and earth elements doesn't exist. It is called Kalp Pralaya, complete dissolution, in which tremendous fire generates and everything burns to ash. Later on, when the day of Brahma starts, then Brahma sends a goddess called Mother Earth and earth comes in existence. Then Lord Vishnu causes the rain and creates the ocean. Then creation of Brahma starts again and Manu Satarba, parents of Manu Srishti, come in existence and Manvantar starts. Then Satyug starts and cycle of 1000 Yugantar, Ardh Pralaya, Kalp Pralaya, complete dissolution repeats in entire day of Brahma. In this way, after completion of 2 parad or 100 years of Brahma completed, then power of Nirgun Nirakar, Par Brahm Parmeshwar, in corporeal form of God consumes in this cycle of creation and destruction and left with very little power with him. Then Nirgun Nirakar, in corporeal form of God, enters into the sun and creates tremendous fire to burn the entire solar system. In this way, he destructed the solar system created by him. In corporeal form converted into 3 elemental form of Shiva, then 3 elemental form of Shiva created 3 elemental form of Shakti. 3 elemental form of Shiv Shakti created Vishnu, and then Brahma came out from navel of Vishnu. Brahma created 7 Parampurush, and these 7 Parampurush created 7 lokas. Later on, these lokas came down and deities came in existence. When deities lost their power, then human came into existence. When power of human reduced, then demon came in existence. Then 7 Patal lokas created. In this way, 14 lokas created, details of which already explained by me. Age of one solar system is 100 years of Brahma. Supreme